Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Oh my goodness. Another Monday, another week. And we're grateful because we have another chance. Another chance. Another chance. Another um, day to make our life brighter and better. But anyhow, good morning, happy Monday. It's 12:19 na pala dito sa Canada. Si Tita po ito. I hope your day is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy, and loving life. It's afternoon na dito sa Canada. Good morning, good evening, kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. I hope everything is good. But anyhow, sorry guys, nagda-drive na naman tayo. Yeah. So, yeah, so I just finished my appointment. It's been a busy day. I feel like ang Monday ko is tapos na. But it's only halfway done. Pero parang ang dami-dami ng nangyari. So, anyhow, it's a very busy day. Katatapos ko lang ng appointment ko. I taught my class earlier. So, talagang hectic ng ating day. Kaya nilagay ko dyan is the power of setting up your the mode for the day. Talagang nakakatulong talaga. For me, it's very helpful. Because I'll tell you why. Ngayon lang talagang grabe. But ganun talaga ako. I always pray. I always say thank you for the day, for another day of life, another gift of health and everything. I'm always thankful. I always start my day with gratitude, and I always pray na talagang maganda yung takbo ng araw ko. But we can't always, there are always things na mangyayari sa atin every single day. But pagka na-set mo na kasi yung yung tone mo for the day, parang may parang grounded ka na. Ganon yun. For me, ganon, it works sa akin. Because you know why? Just today, talagang grabe. even last night, talagang, kasi I was supposed to work last night, and then I went to work, and then I got there, walang tao yung bahay. So, nobody was there. So because I work overnight. But I love what I do, and it's very easy and no pressure, no stress at all. And I look after only one client, so which is amazing. And yeah, I'm very comfortable of what I'm doing. I'm comfortable kung saan ako. So which is good. And so nandun ako. So I drove last night. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat pala sa aking mga followers. We are 51,000 na followers sa aking business page. It's Tita Vargas D. Maraming salamat sa aking mga followers and sa aking mga supporters, sa inyong mga comments diyan, mga interaction nyo diyan. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you guys, all of you. So thank you. And yeah, so anyhow, so I got there last night, and then walang tao yung bahay. Okay, so of course I phoned my company. It's like, walang tao dito, and I'm scheduled, and it was 11 o'clock at night, and it's snowing, and yeah. But so so I waited like 30 minutes, so wala talaga. But anyhow, to make the long story short, it was okay. It was good. Even if I drove, like, I drove in the snow, I was like, I'm fine. I, like, I was safe, and I got paid. So I'm paid. I was sleeping overnight, but I'm paid. See? See, you got to know what your worth is, right? So ganun yun. Now, anyhow, here comes the day this morning. So I had to drive back to Collingwood because I teach every Monday morning. I teach Zumba, and so so got up, and of course there were lots of snow, but I have two boys at home that I'm really lucky. I'm so lucky. So they clean up the driveway and everything, all of those, and so I only help just a few. So yes, I'm so grateful na I have two boys that are two guys in my home that are are strong, clear the driveway for me because I was the only one who left the house this morning, and so it is awesome. Oh my God, I owe it to them, and yeah. So anyhow, so got there, so I was ready and everything, and I said, okay, I'm leaving now. So my car was warm. I just cleaned up the snow in my car, and they cleaned the driveway and everything, and so went to the car, and I was like, oh my God. I said to my husband, honey, I think my tires is flat. Yes, I got a flat tire. So yeah, so anyhow, and I was like, I was rushing because I had to leave home. I still have to drive 30 minutes to get to my class, and I am supposed to start my class at 9:30 in the morning. So so yes, that's my day, and because I teach my class today and I had an appointment, so I had to leave the house. It's snow or not, I got to do it. But anyhow, you have to use common sense as well. If it's really stormy and everything, of course you just have to cancel things, right? But I know I can make it. So ganun kalakas ang loob ko na mag-drive sa snow. But anyhow, so I was like, oh my God, I got flat tire. Yeah, and I had less than an hour. Maybe I had like 45 minutes before my class was about to start. I had really no time, and my husband was saying, I was like, I don't think you can make it. So I was like, okay, see. So he rode with me, and we went to this gas station, and he said he's gonna put air on my tires because I don't know how to put airs in my tires. That's how that's how lucky I am. My husband does everything for me. Uh, dapat alamin ko na yan kasi dapat alamin ko na yan. Hindi ko alam kung paano maglagay ng hangin sa gulong ng sasakyan ko. So so rode with me, punta sa gas station. Pagdating namin sa gas station, pagdating namin sa gas station, wala it there yung machine na maglagay ng air sa tires is broken. See? Pag minamalas ka na nga naman. But, so, I always see I always look on a brighter side. Okay? So, I always look on the brighter side. So, okay. So, but that gas station that we went, sorry guys, that gas station that we went has, there was a shop beside it, right beside it. And so the guy was there. My husband was like, my wife has my wife's tires is flat. Can you help us? And the guy was just so quick and is like, say, okay, like you're just on time. We're just on time because we're just cleaning up our shop, and I have nothing here, so I can take your car right away. I can take your car right away. I was like, oh my God, and my husband's like, and she has to go. And she has to go to drive to Collingwood because she's going to teach a class. And guys, in 10 minutes, my tires is fixed. That's how quick it was. See? So and so like I was so grateful, and I said to the guy, oh my God, you just saved my life. You just you're an angel. I said to him, you're an angel. You saved my life, and like because I didn't have so much time, and people are waiting for me, of course, at the at the place where I teach, but they're waiting for me, like even before 9:30. They were actually at the front desk when I arrived, but I was like 3 minutes before 9:30. I was there. I was right at the front desk. So see, it's like it really helps, but I did not panic at all. I did not panic at all, because uh, God is always like, it's always I always ask guidance. I always ask for, like, right after I say my prayers, my gratitude for the day. I always ask na ang araw ko ay maging maganda. So see, talagang naandyan yan, naandyan lahat ng kailangan natin is nasa sa atin. It's within us, at kung ano man yung kailangan natin, it's within our reach. Yun ang tawag nan, yun ang laging nasa isip ko. Laging nasa isip ko. Talagang it helps kung talagang your thoughts are always on a positive side. Talagang meron at merong dadating na makakatulong sa inyo. See? Talagang I'm grateful na my husband and my son, thank you sa aking mga viewers dyan. My husband and my son was there to clean the driveway for me, and like and then kahit na naandoon, nagkaroon ako ng flat tires. This is the first time, and my wheels are new. It's not even a 1 month old. It's not even 1 month old. And see how lucky I am. I was down in Toronto for the whole weekend at hindi nangyari yun. See? So talagang grateful ako na dito yun nangyari. So, and even if nangyari yun na pressured ako sa time, I still made it to my class safe and sound. And then after my class, I went to my appointment, and I just finished. I just came out from my appointment. Actually, I went to my doctor's office, and yeah, so everything worked out. So it really helps kung talagang isiset mo yung tone mo in a day, na kahit na anong dadating, kasi meron at meron yan, merong tao na disappoint tayo, may sitwasyon na talagang maiirita tayo, talagang naandun yun. Pero kung nakaset yung mind mo, yung mindset mo is naandyan na sa isip mo, kasi guys, everything starts in our mind. Everything starts. So kung ano naandun yun. Pero nakaset na kasi yung mind ko, nasabi ko, and I prayed na anything happens today, na talagang magkaroon ako ng lakas ng loob na maging patient ako, na tawag nun, na may tao na tutulong sa akin. See, everything was lined up for me. I went to I was not late on my class. I was not late on my appointment. I got there safe and sound, and there's no snow in the ground. My tires is fixed. So much to be grateful. Talagang grabe. So it really helps. So I just wanted, I just wanted to share this one with you, because yan ang practice ko. It's just like it, if you practice it every day, talagang tawag nun, makakatulong sa inyo. It will help with your day. Thank you for watching. Thank you. It will help with your day. Na kahit na may mga sitwasyon na hindi maganda, hindi kayo maiirita. Yung bang talagang yung mind you ay nakaset na talaga na may gagabay sa inyo, at saka hindi ka madaling maiirita nga pagka ganun. So yeah, so I just wanted to share this with you kasi yun ang practice ko talaga. So even nga last night when I drove back home and it was snowing and yun nga kasi wala nga hindi walang tao yung sa client ko. So kahit na nagda-drive ako but I was praying and I was actually listening to a podcast which was like a motivational speech and yun. So yun, it really helps me. It helps with my day. It helps with my mindset. Yeah. So kaya sinishare ko lang ito sa inyo because my day is really it was really full of not good way to start. Sabi nga na ibang participant ko pagdating ko sa studio, pagdating ko doon, sabi nila, "Oh my God, that's not a good start for the day." I said, if you think about it, it was not. However, I am here safe and sound. My tires is fixed. I am safe and everything works good. So it's good. For me, I am I'm taking it on a positive side, so I am good. So anyhow, gusto ko lang na lumabas para i-share sa inyo ang aking day at i-share sa inyo ang aking secret kung bakit kahit na hindi maganda yung umpisa ng araw ko is smile pa rin ako. Andito ako sa gas station at saka because I need gas. Andito ako sa gas station and lots of line up. But anyhow, everything works out well if your mindset is set to have a good day. So yeah, so anyhow, kung thank you sa aking mga nagwa-watch dyan. Thank you so much. And again, thank you sa inyong mga support. So, hindi na ako magtatagal. I just wanted to share my day with you guys. And I just wanted to share my secret on how I stay positive na even na may mga sitwasyon na hindi maganda na nangyayari sa araw ko. So, thank you for watching. But anyhow, andito ako sa gas station. I just need to teka lang ha. I'm just in a line up here. Tatabi muna ako because there's some people that are impatient, but there's a line up here. But anyhow, thank you guys. So I just wanted to share that one with you. So I hope na makakuha kayo ng tips, na ma-inspire kayo na yes, it's really what do you call that one? It makes a difference kung talagang iset nyo ang yung mindset nyo is naka-set na to have a good day at talagang pinipray nyo na magkaroon kayo ng magandang mode na talagang kahit na ano man yung dumating sa inyo on your day na hindi kayo maiirita na hindi yung mode nyo is ganon pa rin na talagang happy pa rin kayo, you're still on a positive vibes. So yes, so it's amazing how that can help. Because for me, it does help me. See, nakaka-smile pa rin ako. At lahat ng appointment ko, lahat ng gusto kong gawin for today is nagawa ko na. So I am good for the day. I'm just waiting for the call again. Kung meron akong work tonight, but if not, I am so happy because my husband just asked me. So if I have work, so we can go shopping for my Christmas present. See how it works? Talagang ganon. So just stay on a positive side and keep your mind with positive thoughts talagang makakatulong yun sa inyo. So, okay po? Yeah, but anyhow, I hope na na-inspire ko kayo. I hope na nakakuha kayo ng kahit papaano nakakuha kayo ng tips doon sa mga sinasabi ko. But anyhow, if you are not doing it yet, so try it. Try, and it will help. Okay? So, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Magja-jacket ako because I have to get out. Of course, I need gas for my car. And yeah, so anyhow, I will touch base with you next time. So, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much sa mga support nyo. Take care, everyone. Until next time, have a wonderful day and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.